Okay, here we are in downtown Madison. When we went to Arizona, we really found out we liked Raising Cane's chicken. When we left there, we thought, well, it's going to be a while since we get to Raising Cane's again. Well, then I went online and did a little search just to find out where the closest Raising Cane's was. And I found out there's one right here in Madison, just less than 6 miles away from where we're staying, at your dad's house. So we're downtown here. Turn you around. So we're just a block away, parked in the ramp. And we're gonna go have some Raising Cane's chicken. Okay, it's right over here, isn't it?
Right here, to the right.
Yep, here we are. Lisa. Damn music. If we talk over the music, it'll be fine. But if you let it go too long, we're back. Now we each got the 3-piece. Are you busy posting your pictures? It's as I remember it. How you liking it? How you liking it? Is it what you remember?
Yeah.
Like that sauce. So this morning I am on my way out to my parents' place. My dad had surgery 4 days ago. He was in the hospital for a week for a major nosebleed. They finally just ended up doing surgery because they couldn't do anything else. So he was there for 5 days. Now he's been home. Me and my siblings have been taking turns staying with him. My sister did the first few days, and my brother did another couple days, and now it's my turn to go out and just keep an eye on things, make sure he's doing what he needs to do. Yeah, so that's where I'll be for the next couple days, and maybe I'll show you around when I get there. That's a funny truck. Looked like there was someone actually back there. Hilarious. Okay, here we are. This is where my parents live. New perspective. It's a nice place. Let's go in. And over here is the dining area. A piano. This is the dining area. The kitchen is back there. This is just like a place where they have cooking classes and things like that. But yeah, pretty cool place. Here's the pool. Pretty nice. Very, very nice. They have nice bathrooms, changing rooms, showers in here. Really nice. Wish I lived here. And just down from the swimming pool, they have a gym and rehab. There's the underground garage. Here's the front desk. And they have a bistro over here. At lunchtime you can get, sometimes they have pizza. They have desserts. Here's the menu. Oh, they got gyros tomorrow. Or today they had gyro. Darn it, missed that. And this is the second floor where my parents live. This is the where they have happy hour. They have a bar, Ryan's Pub. So every day from 2 to 4, they can come up here and have happy hour. They live right down in this hall. They have a nice outdoor area here, balcony. They have a garden out here. My parents are growing several things out here. There's the entrance. They have a library, they have a pool here, they have a rec room. Here's the craft room. Mom's always doing crafts. Here's the library. From here you can use the computer. And they even have like a magnifier here if you want to read a book. You need a magnifier. You can also order books from the main library in Madison from here. And they will deliver the books. So if you don't find what you want, you can just order them from the library. And here we are. This is their balcony. It's got a screen here, so no bugs come in. It's pretty nice. Pretty darn nice here. They're not big on the food sometimes, but it is what it is. They don't have to eat the food. They can sometimes they make their own meals. That concludes our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So in the morning, my dad has a doctor's appointment. He's doing well, so I'm expecting the appointment to go good. We do have a Michigan trip planned within this month, I hope. But we have to get some things figured out here first, get everything settled with family. Alright, we'll talk to you in the next video.